Depot on the beat.
What's up guys, welcome back to another DIY Salomon Brothers video, and today we have something super special, the BMW XM. You can read up all about it online, just do a Google search. I don't know too many details about this, all I know is that it's ridiculously awesome. Yeah, it's got some cool lights in the front and yeah, these crazy big wheels, and it's a V8. Didn't know that when I... V28. When I heard it start up, it was absolutely insane. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and install some DIY badges. Let's go for it. As you will see at this current moment, frontal PPF is being applied to the car. Frontal PPF, and we got that as well. Okay, nice. That is wicked. So full bonnet going down, and yeah, I'm not going to be able to access obviously the front badge for now. Keenan made some badges for the wheels, and we also have M badges for inside the doors. Okay, so he made badges for, there's a little inlay inside here. When you open both the doors, you can check it out. There you go. Awesome. Yep. So I'm just opening this up. All right, shut. There we go. So we got M badges for inside here. So I'm gonna be overlaying that. But yeah, as you can see, this is a seriously awesome hybrid vehicle. The ultimate BMW XM. That is insane.